I'm like, dude, that's really too much. Go. Enjoy. Yeah, I'll take a photograph from here. God, I'm scared of the heights now. I'm not coming that side. That's why I'm standing here. Look, I'm only taking your videos and photographs. The water's so cold. Go walk. Yeah, I'm taking a video and you just stop. Oh God. You sure?
But
hello there. Right at the moment now I'm at the Birdao Falls. You have to walk down the stairs to reach the waterfall. And I am in the state of Meghalaya, where this is my hometown. It's the abode of clouds. It's got really beautiful, I'm so sorry, I was just about to fall. It's got really beautiful places like Dauki, Umngot River. We were just heading towards Dauki, but there was a big hell lot of traffic since it's season time at the moment. So there are a lot of tourists, so we couldn't get to the spot. So that's the reason we came to this waterfall. So I'll take you around in the waterfall. So let's go ahead. So I'm here today with my sister and my brother. So my sister is already there on the top and I'm still walking. I'm already so tired because yesterday I had gone for a trek to this Waken where, you know, there are a lot of bamboo bridges on the heights of the mountains. It was really adventurous. So yeah, I'll take you around. Like, let's go. She's already there. Come ahead and you can see this water. It's so green in color. Oh, it's just a little bit tiring climbing and getting down these stairs. So there it is. You can see this beautiful natural green water down here.
The feelings start. I put a wall around my heart, but you're breaking it down. It falls to the ground, 'cause I had lost what you just found. The noise all around, I'm drowning it out, like we're the only ones in the crowd. 'Cause you save me now.
watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Follow my Instagram and Facebook page Muffy's World. Keep supporting.